Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add 3D clustered bar chart in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Then we select some data, click and drag on our mouse. Then go to the insert menu. Now I am select the recommended chart option and go to the all chart. Select the bar option and now I am select the 3D clustered bar chart. We can see here the 3D clustered bar. Now I am select OK. Now we can see we make a 3D clustered bar chart. You can change the style, select the chart and go to the chart design menu and you can change the style. Click the style drop down menu and change the style of the chart. Otherwise you can change the color of the chart. Now you can rename the chart title. Click inside the text box and rename the chart title. 3D clustered bar chart. Now we can see we add 3D clustered bar chart in Excel very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.